All right, let's jump right in. Today I'm going to show you how to cut, add captions, all with Descript in a matter of minutes. So get your video file ready and let's do an upload. So first step is you're going to want to add the file. I just went ahead and named it. You're going to open up Descript, name it, add file. Mine's Fortune in the follow-up, no captions. Upload that. Now this one's fairly long video, so we'll see how fast it is. But we're going to just go ahead and insert into script, and then we're going to hit transcribe. So this will do the work for us to transcribe all the words so we can easily add captions, but more importantly, cut and edit the video with ease. I can't thank this software enough for helping me speed up the process. I'm sure there are some other ways to bulk upload, good content and everything, but this is the one that I found that's really fast and easy. And then when you pair that with a couple other tools that I'll talk about later, it just makes creating content that much easier. So there's really no excuse to, share your story, get some information out. If you're an expert, if you're working in a specific field, talk about it. Let people know that's what you do. So again, this will take a little bit, so I'm going to pause and we'll come back, but it's transcribing a 3.5-minute video for us right now. Okay, great. Look at this. So it's done a bunch of transcribing. And luckily, I didn't mess up a lot, but what it does do, it has some breaks that I want to clean up. So we can go ahead and kind of test it. So just put your cursor over there, click there, and hit spacebar, and that will start. I like to do the timeline as well. So the timeline at the bottom, we're going to clean up some of these spaces, which is really cool. So I want you to take a listen. So it cuts it like a Word doc. You would erase words, and then it cuts the video exactly where you want it. So check it out. Press spacebar.
Time is money, and the fortune is in the follow-up. Welcome.
See that space right there? This is really easy. Either we grab it and drag over, or we just click the cursor here and hit it a couple times, back, all the way to there. So now listen.
Time is money, and the fortune is in the follow-up. Welcome. My name is
Wow, you see that? That's awesome. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to do to cut everything. That's one example. And then here's another one. You can just hit a delete button, and that's going to remove those couple seconds. If you need to change a word, so say instead of traffic, it was attractive, whatever it is, like you double click it and then hit correct, and then you can change what it is if it's misspelled or something. It's actually pretty on. This service does really well, so Descript is awesome. So again, there's like a space there that I don't like, so you can just delete that. You can also come down here and grab this and drag over. You don't want to go too close, but it's going to cut it to where it's not taking up too much time. Like see here, I can see that there's a kind of a lot of space, so I want to kind of delete that, and it automatically clips the video. So if you want to do it down to the next line and then hit under the question mark line, I forget what it's called, that will just create like a new scene so you can quickly get to different scenes. I'm going to pause there and just kind of clean up the rest of this video, but I hope that gives you an idea of how easy it is to basically clean up your video on Descript. Again, I want to take away that couple seconds right there, or you can just go down here and drag over. Just get it close, and that kind of speeds up the whole flow of the video. So if you see any long pauses, like check out this one, and then you can just drag it over, and then make sure you go through and listen to it again. Obviously, this one's a long one, so we can drag it over. Blah blah blah. Yeah, this is great. So again, I hope this helps. Then, if you were done, you would just go to publish, and instead of the normal publish, you just do an export. You can export it. But I'll pause here, and then we'll keep going. All right, so I want to show you how to separate a word, because click track is 2 words in my company. So you just double click it, go to correct, and you can space that out. You can also see that I've changed some of the numbers. So 391% is correct. 50%, I want to just replace that. Let's correct it, and we'll put this symbol. I like using the symbol on some of this stuff. 50%. Let's do that. And then you can see here that we changed the bonus number 1. I actually changed and put the number 1 instead of typed out. Okay, now that we've edited it, let's go ahead and throw some captions on. So I'm going to highlight the entire thing, just like you're highlighting a Word document. Go up to the T, click on Captions. Now, I really like these ones. This is just kind of my go-to. It's that blue and white. You can pick up from a few different ones, but I'll kind of fit this in the corner here. It can be a little bit bigger, but you want to make sure you give yourself a little bit of space on each side. This is going to be a regular, landscape video, so you can change the style and everything. I won't get into that. You can click around. I'm just going to show you the basics. Go to the T, go to that, and let's start at the beginning. And you can see,
time is money, and the fortune is in the follow-up. Welcome. My name is David Esau with...
Bam, that looks great. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save. Again, I'll have to listen to it, so let me pause. Okay, so we got to the end of the video. Everything looks good. Click on Publish. And then instead of Publish, you're just going to go to Export. And that's going to save it to your desktop. You can do a couple things here, audio quality, if you want to adjust anything, but I'm just going to do the regular. Hit Export, save it. I'm going to put the final version. It's going to go to my download file, but I'll switch it. Let's just go to desktop so I don't lose it. And that's it. We're exporting the file. From there, you can just use your AirDrop, put it back on your phone, and then if you want to post it to Reels or whatever, it's easy. Or if you use a tool, system that can do bulk uploading or uploading through that, you can also do that. So great. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting more videos out like this. Thank you so much.